performance was hot like fuego.
Well, Shaq, I heard from a friend of a friend that this next dance is a 10 out of 10. Up next is Doja Cat, styled by Michelle Kim and choreographed by Maria Xiao.
Just my breath right quick. He ain't never seen it in a dress like this. He ain't never even been impressed like this. Patty why I got him quiet on a set like sick. Let it, save it, keep it, push it, wipe it, beat it, grab it, push it, know it, you want all this. I let them bitches hate and I have you with me. I love my saying you had committed. Better than anybody you had ready. I let the body, I need the ass and dead. It's been a long time since you. She had 2 or 3 drinks, now she's working.